Hello students, today we are going to solve 24th problem. Question is given as two towers A and B standing vertically on a horizontal ground appear in a vertical aerial photograph as shown in the figure. That is like this. The length of the image of the tower A on the photograph is 1.5 centimeter, that is dA, and of tower B is 2 centimeter, that is dB. The distance of the top of the tower A as shown by the arrowhead is 4 centimeter and the distance of the top of the tower B is 6 centimeter. That will be RA and RB as measured from the principal point P of the photograph. If the height of the tower B is 80 meter, the height of the tower A in meter is. Now we need to find the height of the tower A is. Now we know that the formula of relief displacement is equals to RH upon H, which will be equals to the relief displacement. Now for tower A, the given quantities are dA will be equals to 1.5 centimeter and RA will be equals to 4 centimeter. We need to find the value of HA. Okay. And for tower B, the value of dB is given as 2 centimeter. The value of RB is given as 6 centimeter and the value of HB is given as 80 meter. Now for tower B all the values are given. So we will use the formula, that is dB is equals to RB into HB upon capital H. On putting the values of dB here, which will be equals to 2, RB value as 6, HB value as 80 and capital H as capital H, we will get the value of capital H, which will be equals to 240 meter. Okay students, now we will use this formula of relief displacement for tower A, and for tower A it will be equals to dA is equals to RA into HA upon capital H. Now dA value is given as 1.5 centimeter, RA value is given as 4 centimeter. We need to find the value of HA and the capital H value is already computed above, which will be equals to 240. On solving this, we will get the value of HA as 90 meter. That will be the height of tower A. We had completely solved this numerical. Thank you very much, students.